Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you some more fun bat bows that I've been making. I've been so addicted to making these ever since I saw Rebecca Creates video on how to make these bat bows without using a bat bow die. Because at my Michaels, we don't have any bat bow dies at all, and to order it online, it always takes at least 2 months to get to me in Canada here. So, but I do have the bows that I ordered last year, I believe, and I used the biggest size, which I just showed you, and this is a medium size. I did not use the smaller size because even these ones got pretty tiny. But I just wanted to share with you the different colors that, you know, you don't have to limit yourself to just the Halloween basic colors, which I do love too. I love how the green one turned out, and I use like gold stickles, green stickles, the blue ones, and actually I think the blue ones are like my favorite. I just think they're so vibrant. I just love how they turned out. And some of them I use like the spider web, like on this one I use like a spider webby thing, and some of them I just use a lot of polka dots. Well, this was the first one I was playing with. I had these little moon confettis. I just didn't find it was brilliant enough. Well, maybe, I don't know. But anyways, I ended up going with just using some lines here too with some polka dots. This is just some regular stickles and different bling pieces. This one I use a little pumpkin from a nail sticker. These kind of things, they're fun to use too. You know, so, and then little bling pieces. I had another, it was kind of like a Halloween-y pack of gems, so I used that. This one I just used the green stickles in the middle and left it plain. And yeah, they're just so much fun, and I love the purple on the black. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just love it. Oh, I love the purple on the black. So yeah, it's just another way of having fun and decorating them up. And I'm thinking of doing some with the sequins too, as I did on the black ones here. So I may change these up a bit and do that also. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick share today, and yeah, hope you're having a good day, and thanks for watching everybody. Bye for now.